Why now? Why? 5.9 billion naira. 5.9 billion naira. The APC government of Muhammadu Buhari and Yemi Osinbajo, they say they won't spend 5.9 billion naira to teach 177 Nigerians on how to make they learn how to repair mobile phone, which means one person to teach one person how to repair mobile phone. Now 33,300,000 naira. This is a country where they highly indebted, with they owe money all over the world. The debt of Nigeria now declined 45 trillion naira. These people, they don't fear God. One say na malam, another one say na pastor. Make they just they use juju, they swear for these people as oath of office. Because they go carry Bible for one hand, they lie. They carry Quran for one hand, they lie. They don't fear God. The Nigeria of our dream, we feel not get time for our lifetime. The way the silence of Nigerians to bad governance, we don't forget the Nigeria of our dream for our lifetime, unless we, the people, take revolution as a religion against the common thieves of our commonwealth. Unless that one.